All right.
Yeah.
You're used to this.
Used to how slow it is, and
yeah, cool.
takes always longer than you think. When you bring a brand sort of from the digital world to the physical world, that's also quite a challenge because it's the first store. It happens to be the first store, so we had to really sort of think very open-minded what it could be.
I think what Lick's always tried to do is really help its customers remove any anxieties from the process of making big decisions about their home and choosing an aesthetic and a feel and a mood that suits their personality. The store is designed to continue in that tradition. So my name's James, and I'm the head of retail at Lick, and this is our very first store.
Yeah, hi, my name's Oskar. I'm the interior designer on the project, and it's the first time we work together. It's been a really fruitful relationship so far, so it's very exciting. Inspires me is these, how every little shop has their own little color, and it's one of these high streets that has independent outlets. Kind of the dream scenario for most designers, what you want to do, that it's not like big brands, but it's individual spaces. Everyone has their own color in this old school way of using color.
So Oscar's kind of completed the beautiful designs for the store, and now it's kind of the rubber hitting the road. They've done a lot of demolition, they've ripped out the floor, and we can kind of see the bare bones of the building, and now we're kind of making sure everything that was imagined for the store is going to work for the store when it's actually built.
Right now we're in the middle of the store, and the main feature is going to be this very big table, which when you come in, it will be floating in the middle of the room with a large pendant above, and that's going to be flanked by shelves of the sample colors and the Lick pots. And so really that's going to be the main feature of the main room. At the front we have like a big old vintage shelving unit we bought in Italy. That will be near the window. And then on the other side there's some seating, a little bit of lounge seating. And then in the very back, where we have that lower ground, we have a communal table with our paint testing area and where the paint machines are. So there's a bit of a back and a front space. I think the main ambition is that we want to celebrate paint as like the introduction for most people to interior design and designing their own spaces. So paint really as like the accessible, the most immediate way to transform your space. I think we had a very productive design development period where we sort of played off some ideas what the concept could be. We didn't want to do some design, but we wanted to create a space for people that works with the community and that sort of really activates the process of picking colors and buying paint. So the design sort of is there to supplement that concept, and I think that's what was the key challenge, and it's always, it's the best way to approach it.
It's a very short schedule, so there's a lot to get done in a short space of time. We've got this shelf coming from Italy, which is an amazing piece. It's going to sit in pride of place in the front window. And they go on their summer break and they can't deliver when we need them to deliver, so we have to receive it early before the site's ready to receive it. And we're going to have to store it in the back area of the shop. So, making sure that that doesn't get damaged in the process is going to be a challenge. The final thing will just be the founder of the company who lives around the corner checking in every day. Yeah, on my phone, sending me texts, making sure that everything's going to plan. So yeah, be trying to keep him happy as well, which is its own challenge.